I have seen climate change. I've been in reservoir operation for at least 30 years. And it is amazing to me how violent the storms are becoming. And it's changing the way that we're having to operate. I'm Margaret Hannaford. I'm the manager of the Hetchy Water and Power Division of the SFPUC Water Enterprise. We actually are rebuilding a lot of the system because a lot of our facilities are 90 to 100 years old. Now we're looking at how large should that spillway be to accommodate what we may see due to climate change. So it's not only affecting our operations today, but how we're building Hetchy to be resilient against climate change in the future. We have 250 people that work up here out of Hetchy, our headquarters in Moccasin. We're located about 120 miles east of San Francisco. And our facilities run from Hetchy Reservoir up in Yosemite National Park down to Sunol, which is in the Bay Area. We operate the Hetchy Water and Power Project, which supplies about 85% of the water supply to the regional water system. In addition to that, we also operate 3 powerhouses, generating up to about 400 megawatts of greenhouse gas-free hydro generation. So we operate this system collecting water in our large reservoirs. Then it runs through a combination of tunnels, penstocks, hydro generating facilities, even this reservoir that we have right out here, to deliver water to the people in the Bay Area. By the time it leaves Hetchy in Yosemite National Park, it takes 2 to 3 days to make its travel and journey all the way down to San Francisco. My main challenge is the power regulatory side. We have generation and transmission facilities, and we're connected to the California bulk electric system, or the grid. And that's highly regulated today. And so we have a lot of requirements. We're responsible for over 1,000 requirements. And that creates processes and procedures to make sure we maintain that compliance. And then we have a group of highly technical IT staff here to make sure that our IT systems aren't compromised. I think the most memorable experience I've had on the Hetchy was the 2013 Rimfire. Started in August and lasted all the way through November. When it burned in 2013, it was the 3rd largest fire in California history. We were in our incident command structure for about, I think it was around 10 weeks total. And then after that, we had to rebuild the system. But during the whole Rimfire experience is how we came together as a team to go out there and keep water running, because we continued to deliver water throughout the event. Even as it swept through, burned, caused damage to one of our powerhouses, destroyed about 50% of our distribution lines, and threatened 3 of our watersheds. We continued to deliver water, and without any incident or any safety issues. There's so many great things that we do up at Hetchy Water and Power. We predict the amount of water that's coming into those reservoirs, either as snowmelt or even during runoff events. Our goal up here is to operate the system to minimize the impact of potential rationing on our customers, water customers in the Bay Area, but also once we have met that obligation to also make sure we optimize the generation from our facilities. It's amazing to me that all the skill sets to do that work is up here. I have our power system operators that operate the system that's connected to the grid. I have PhDs that predict how much water is coming in, how we operate the reservoirs. And I also have the highly skilled workforce that fixes the generators. I have mechanics, I have electrician technicians, linemen, power system operators, engineers, carpenters, laborers, operating engineers, drivers. Everything that you see up here, they're usually the first on the site, and usually they can repair it or they can manufacture something to repair it. We are proud to be a self-contained group and part of City and County of San Francisco. The best thing about Hetchy Water and Power is the people. There's a sense of pride in their workmanship. And Hetchy Water and Power has a community. We are a community, and we care about each other, and we take care of each other. I don't think I've ever had this fulfilling of a job and experience as being part of this team and delivering water and power to the Bay Area.